Tonight we are having this mouth-watering butter chicken for dinner. Let's see how Fiza has made.
The ingredients we need to marinate the chicken. We need chicken 1 pound, yogurt 2 tablespoons, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, half teaspoon chili powder and half teaspoon cumin powder, 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste and a pinch of food color, orange food color. And for gravy, we need ginger garlic paste 1 tablespoon, cumin powder 1 teaspoon, coriander powder 1.5 teaspoon, salt 1 teaspoon, dried fenugreek leaves we need 2 tablespoons, 1.5 teaspoon chili powder, turmeric 1/4 teaspoon, garam masala we need 1 teaspoon, 1 small onion finely chopped, 8 ounces of tomato puree, 2 tablespoons oil for cooking and 1 cup heavy whipping cream. Marinate the chicken. You have to marinate it for at least 1 hour. Overnight will give you a better taste. Yogurt, lemon juice, ginger garlic paste, chili powder and cumin powder, and a pinch of orange food coloring. Mix it. Now my chicken is marinated. I will broil it in a preheated oven at 425 degree F for at least 15 minutes. Chicken is in the oven. In the meantime, I will prepare the gravy. For that, I will start my instant pot at saute mode. Now I will add 2 tablespoons of oil in the pan and add my onions and just wait for the onions to get translucent. After frying the onion for a couple of minutes, I will add ginger garlic paste, then I will add all the dry masalas. It's coriander powder, cumin powder, chili, turmeric, salt and garam masala. Now fry the spices for next 1 minute. Now I will add tomato puree. After almost 5 minutes, I will add the 1/4 teaspoon of food color, orange food color. Now chicken is ready. My gravy is ready. I will add my chicken in the gravy. Now cook it for next couple of minutes. Now I add the dried fenugreek leaves. Chicken is ready. I will turn off the heat and add the heavy whipping cream. Don't cook after adding the cream. Butter chicken is ready.
Let's enjoy this with homemade naan.